Okay, good morning. So at this moment, we will tackle about implicit differentiation. So I will give you one example on how to use the concept of implicit differentiation using derivative. No? So we have here one example. Find dy over dx of xy minus 2xy squared plus 4y minus 2x is equal to 6 minus x squared y. So how do we find now the dy over dx? Okay, so we have here solution. Okay, of course, in finding the dy over dx using implicit differentiation of this given quantities, our equation, some of the concept of the derivative can be applied. Just like, for example, or usually the concept of the derivative that has been used is the product rule. Okay, the product rule of the derivative. So we have here xy. Because x times y is in a form of the product, so therefore we will have to use the product rule in getting the derivative of xy. So first, we will have to write down y times derivative of x. We write down dx because x has not been derived, meaning i-derive pa rin nato. No? Plus x times dy of y. It means that we still have to derive the term y. Okay? Minus the quantity, just copy y squared times dx of 2x. Okay? Plus, then copy 2x multiplied by dy. No? We still have to write down dy of y squared. Okay? So that is how we use the product rule. Plus, we have also here 4y, dy of 4y. Okay? Minus 2x or dx of 2x. Okay? Is equal to b of 6. Meaning, 6 still have to be derived. Minus under product rule here, just copy y times dx of, we have here x squared. Okay, plus we have here x squared, then dy of, dy of y. Then after that we will have to simplify. Okay, next, copy this one. We have to copy y, variable y. Then we have dx, derivative of x is 1. Okay, plus x, derivative of y is 1. Then we will have to write down dy over dx. Okay? Minus the whole quantities, we have here y squared times derivative of 2x. So we have y squared, derivative of 2x is 2. Okay? Then we have here plus 2x, then derivative of y squared is 2y times 2y dy over dx. Okay? Plus, derivative of 4y is 4. Then we will write down dy over dx. Okay? Minus, derivative of 2x is only 2. Is equal to, derivative of constant is 0. Okay? Minus, this quantity is, we have here, derivative of x squared is 2x, we have y times 2x. Okay? Y times 2x. Plus, we have here x squared. Derivative of y is 1, so we have 1 dy over dx. Then we will have to simplify now. Okay? So 1 times y is y. Okay, plus x times 1 is x. Then we will write down dy over dx. Okay? Minus this quantity is negative times 2y squared is negative. Okay? Negative 2y squared. Negative times this one is negative 4xy. Negative 4xy dy over dx. Okay? Plus 4 dy 0. This one, we have here minus the quantity of, we can have the same direct, no? X times y times 2x is negative 2xy. Negative times all of these quantities is negative x squared dy over dx. Next to that is we'll have to collect all the terms that has dy over dx, and the remaining quantities will be transferred to the other side or to the right hand side. So we have here x dy over dx. Next, we are done with this term. Next, this one. Okay, we have negative 4xy dy over dx. Okay, plus this term. We have here plus 4 dy over dx. Next, this one is the last term for dy over dx term. From negative, that will become positive x dy, x squared rather, no? X squared dy over dx. And that is equivalent to all of these quantities. We have here negative y, okay, or mga mga power of squared. Now we have here, we have negative 2y squared, that is become positive 2y squared. So we are done with this one. Next, okay, next term is we have here y. Okay, we have here minus y. We are done with this one. Okay, so we also have here negative 2xy. Negative 2xy. Next, the last one is we have negative 2, so that will become positive 2. Then, factor out dy over dx, this will become dy over dx of, first is we have x, next is we have minus 4xy, okay, plus 4, okay, plus x squared, this one. And that is equivalent to 2y squared minus y minus 2xy plus 2. Okay? Next one, we have here, we cannot divide both sides by all of these quantities. dy over dx is equal to, this one, we have here 2y squared minus y minus 2xy plus 2 over all of these quantities. We have here, we can write first x squared. Then we have here minus x or plus x minus 4xy. Then we have here plus 4. So this is how to find dy, or using implicit differentiation to find the derivative of this given equation using the product rule or the concept. No? So we found out that our dy over dx is we have here 2y squared minus y minus 2xy plus 2, then over x squared plus x minus 4xy, okay, plus 4. So I hope that this video will help you, particularly in deriving equation or solving equation using implicit differentiation. Okay.